Salesforce's annual Dreamforce event kicks off in San Francisco. A software company unveiling a shift in its AI strategy as artificial intelligence shakes up the industry. Amid that shakeup is an open door for new software competitors such as Creatio, with a $1.2 billion valuation. The unicorn status startup is looking to lead the enterprise no-code market. Katherine Kostereva, Creatio CEO, joins us now to discuss. Katherine, good to see you.
Good to see you, Josh. Thank you for having me.
So, Katherine, for viewers who may not be familiar, just walk us through Creatio. What's the problem you're solving for there?
Absolutely happy to do that. Listen, not many people know, but in the world, the population of software developers is 25 million people, which sounds like a big number, but in reality it is not when you think about the demand for automation. There are 500 million apps that need to be automated by those 25 million software developers, so math doesn't really work there. And the question is how to solve this issue, and the solution is engage knowledge workers, non-professional software developers. We call them knowledge workers or citizen developers, or people like yourself, for example, who have never been coders in your life, but actually...
You can just tell by looking at me. You just really right away.
But actually automate your workflows and build your own apps and build your own software. And now we have Gen AI that is helping us to do it even faster.
And so, Katherine, when you say no code,
Yep.
in layman's terms, you're giving tools to workers so they can build, automate their own products?
100%, yes.
Okay.
Like back in 80s, it was high code. You had to be a professional developer in order to actually create an application or automate your workflow. And then the era of low code came, it's rapid application development. And then 10 years ago, when Creatio was founded, we created this term of no code, when you actually just drag and drop and design your software, not being a professional software developer. And what we're doing right now is actually reimagining the world of no code when AI builds the software for you.
And what is growth like right now at the company, Katherine? Give us a sampling of some of the customers.
So as you just mentioned, we raised $200 million at $1.2 billion valuation in June to invest into AI, because that's where we see the future of automation in the workflow space. And we're growing 50% year over year, despite the market conditions.
Top line growth of 50%.
Top line growth 50%, 50 year over year, with 800 partners in 100 countries of the world. So the reason why we raised this capital of $200 million is to invest in AI, but also invest in our partners, system integrators in 100 countries of the world who implement Creatio, who support our local clients in all those countries.
And when you say invest in AI, Katherine, how do you see AI, Gen AI, impacting, changing the company, the industry you're working in?
Massively. So from one side, there are two aspects of it in our particular case. One is creating those apps, building those apps. And even right now, we have our AI command center where you can create your own workflows and applications using Gen AI. As we say, English is the future coding language, and we see that AI is going to be a bigger revolution on the market than even internet was many years ago. And the other part is actually raising productivity and efficiency of knowledge workers who use this software for case resolutions, service management, call center management, marketing, sales automation, you name it.
Question here, we have a Fed decision tomorrow. Lots of questions, Katherine, about the economy, about the labor market, the macro. I'm just curious, from the lens of your company, what are you seeing out there?
We're actually seeing that the companies are starting to wake up and become much more flexible with their budgets. We haven't seen it previously. Right now, we do see a very positive traction in terms of investment into technology, into the innovation. So that's a positive for us.
Looking down the road, what do you see ahead for Creatio? Is it an IPO? Are you open to someone coming along with a nice acquisition offer? What do you think?
We're building an enduring company, Josh. So it's going to be a lasting company, again, with the growth that we deliver right now. We don't have any other plans but to grow the company as much as we can across the globe.
Katherine, thank you so much for coming in and being on set.
Thank you very much
for
having me. Thank you.